So today's session we see about purchase order. It's called as a PO. Okay, purchase order is a external document. Will be created for receive the material from the suppliers, different vendors. Okay, we can receive the material with um, as per the time, delivery time, as per the quality, as per the quantity. They will send it to our customers. Okay, so they will it will be useful for the purchase order. This is for order, which are the materials required, what is the quantity, what is the material, okay, where which are the plant you need to deliver, okay, how much quantity you need to deliver. Okay. So these are the things available in the purchase order. So this will be a considered as a external document. PO is a external document. Okay, it will be useful for that external document. So going to system. Okay, so there is a uh, creation of a transaction code using for ME21N, which I create PO ME22N, then change PO ME23N, display PO ME2M, RME2N, list of PO ME29N, release PO. Okay, so this is a transaction code we are using for that purchase orders. Okay, so we'll see one by one today. So go to the system. So the transaction code ME21N. So loading now. So this is the create purchase order screen. So here there is a purchase order document types. Like that last yesterday class we seen about that purchase requisition document types, right? So same way we also having purchase order also document type. So we can this also we can do that our own document types. We can create our own document type as per the business requirement. Okay, so we can see the later how we can do that our own purchase document type. So here we can create a PO in a different ways. So we can create a PO with purchase requisition. Okay, so based on the purchase requisition, based on the contract. Okay, so we can create existing purchase order. We can create a new purchase order. So there's a lot of ways we are creating the purchase orders. So now we are created as a two PRs yesterday. Okay, so already PR is there. Just we are converting it to PO. So for this, we can click on document overview on. If I click on this, the left side it will open one more window. You can see. So whatever PO we can raise yesterday. Okay, 7609 and 5000 we automatically appear here. If we not appear here, you can go here selection variant. Okay, you go there is a lot of option here. So we can go for purchase requisition. If you my purchase requisitions. So there are two options is there my purchase requisition and the purchase requisition. What is the difference between the both? So purchase requisition you can take it from whatever peer created by other ID user ID also you can take it from purchase requisition for converting to PO. If you go for my purchase requisition, only that purchase requisition created by my user ID that only will be appear here. So that is a difference between purchase requisitions and my purchase requisitions. So if you go for my purchase requisitions, it will appear all the requisition which is created by other user IDs also. Okay, so automatically now it's appeared because it will be very my user ID only is created. Okay, so now I am selecting this purchase order, purchase requisitions. I select in the purchasing. There is one button called adopt. Okay, I click on this adopt button. Once click that adopt button, my PR information so appear in that PO screen. Okay, so now detail PR details will appear here. So I show you one by one. Okay. In that PO screen, whatever PR screen or PO screen, there's a two level of data is there. Okay. One is for header level, one is for item overview, another for item details. So what is a header? In the header details, there is a lot of tab is there. So there is a arc data, there's additional data, communication, text is there. Okay. So a lot of data in that, it's come as a header data. So coming to that item details, item overview, here only we can enter that item numbers, okay, metal code, description, quantity. So the plant, everything will come in that item overview screen. Coming to that item details, so respective line item, whatever you are entered in that item overview, respective I have only one line item 10. So here I also line item 10. So respective line item, so more details available here. So conditions, invoice, delivery address, okay, material depth data. So lot of tab is there. It will be detailed view of items, individual items. It will be detailed views. Okay, so there is a three view for purchase or three category of purchase requisition as well as purchase order. One is header, item overview, item details. Okay, so now coming to that, first I will enter that our vendor. So vendor is a mandatory field at the time of creation of purchase order. Our vendor, I will enter the vendor code which is we created. Okay, so purchase organization. If you want to create selecting the vendor also, you can click here. So you can navigate to searching the vendor. Okay, we can search the vendor as per the company code. So there is a lot of option to finding the vendors. How we can find the vendors? Okay, their general is a company code is a purchasing organization. Is if I click here, you are entering your purchase organization. What my purchase organization? I will enter my purchase organization. Okay, I press enter. It will show only one vendor, which is we created. That vendor will show here. We can choose like this also. We selecting our vendors. So our purchase organization, I will enter our purchase organization. Purchase group and company code data will come from peers. Okay, peer. So automatically come. So all the details also will come. So now I go to for check. If there is a check button is there, if you check any error, it will show the errors. Okay, so there is an error for net price must be greater than zero. There is a no net price. I'll enter the price manually, but so I cannot enter here. So I can click the condition, go to conditions. There's one cross price is there. Okay, BB00. Select this and give some price. Okay, now it's come. Okay, so delivery date it's showing as a previous date because of last 2 days back we created. It's a past days from today compared to today. So I can change delivery date. Okay, so I can now check delivery date always past date, future date from today. Okay, what my information come, no message to issue to read check. So if this message will come, this document there is no issue, we can save the purchase order. Okay, so I can select now save this purchase order. It will take some time. So How PO number is created. So I note down my PO number. It will be available on the list of PO for reference. For training purpose, I will give this PO number. We can create multiple POs in upcoming practice purpose. Okay. So now PO number is created. Now I go to change the PO. Means change some any data from purchase orders. So transaction ME22N. So now we done this. Okay, so second one ME22N. This is a change PO. Okay, so there's a field for change. Okay, this is a purchase order number that we created. So maybe I can change the quantity. Okay, so I can change it, add the material also. Okay, I can add material here. Okay, I can enter the, if you want, I can enter the storage location directly here. Which storage location I want to make goods receipt, I can enter the storage location. So what are the changes is required? The purchase order, we can be do in that ME22N transactions. Just I will save. So P1 number, same number is changed. Okay, that's a display purchase order. It will be transaction code is ME23N. There is a display purchase orders. So we can do only for display purchase orders. We cannot do anything just to see the purchase orders, company code, ARC, okay, purchase group. So this item details. So this item overview, this item details. So we can see here. So like this, okay. So coming to list of PO, there is a ME2M transaction. So we can enter our purchase organization, SCPO. So list of I will click on ALV grid, ALV view. Okay, sorry. Where is now execute? It will come like this. I will show it. Best ALV. I will execute. So it will come like this. This is a purchase list of purchase orders. Respective that I filter given the purchase requisitions. So only one PO is there.
Oh, like, what is the field actually? Like, before you enter it?
Sorry.
What is that field actually? Like, before you enter, right?
Here, this is for how we can report output. These are this output type of reports. Okay.
Okay.
If example, the scope of list in the best. Okay, I will execute. This report will come like this. Okay. If I come back, okay, if I change that scope of list, okay, ALV grid OLV, okay, I will execute. Report like come like this. Okay, so for that purpose, we are selecting this. Okay, if I click on the line item 10, it goes to for display PO. Okay, so this is purchase orders. So now we cannot. Sorry, did you ask anything?
No, 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 sir. No, no.
Okay. Okay. So there is a release PO. There is a release. We cannot still we not decide any release strategy. So this part will be later on after release strategy topic only we can see this. Okay. So this is a way we can create as a purchase orders. So I can directly I can create one purchase order. I will show you how to create without PR. Okay, ME21N. So for that I will need my material. Okay, I have material. So I will enter selecting the purchase order document types. I will enter our vendor code or material. What is our material? I can enter the material. I can enter some quantity directly. Okay, plant is P1. I can enter location also. I will enter this. It will show the error. Enter purchase org. SCPO purchase organization. Sorry, purchasing group 555. Okay. Enter this. So I will check now. There is no message during that. This like this we can create the purchase order without PO. Directly we can create a purchase order. There is no reference of any PR, any other documents. We can directly create the purchase orders. Okay. So just I will save the POs. One PO number is generated. Okay, 3871. So now go to I will show you that how we can, if there is a purchase order document types. So did we, this also will be okay, customize. Okay. So before going to the customize, I will show already the PR time also. I will show you the PR session. So what is the use of account assignment category, item category. So item category, same what is available in the PR, same will be here. Standard and consignment stock. This is special, it's called the special procurements. Okay, there is a interview question. This is called as a, what are the special procurement in SAP. So standard procurement, consignment, subcontracting, third party, stock transport order, service. So these are the standard special procurement in SAP system. Okay, so that is called as the item category. Okay, so what is account assignment? Account assignment nothing but last time we see same issue, same this. Okay, so there's a different category of stocks. We can buy a asset material, big machineries, computers, laptops. Okay, so training chairs. Okay, table. This and all come under asset category. So whenever you are do the asset procurement, we can use account assignment as a A. Whenever using the some procuring the material against the cost center, we can use the cost center issuance. Okay, so whenever we go for okay, project items. Okay, we can go forward. Q indicator. It will be make a to order for the project stock. So these are the account assignment category. It will be we can clear this. What is account assignment category? What is the item category? There are two different things here. Okay. So coming to okay, how we go, now we go for custom own creating that our purchase order types, document types. So go to SPRO, IMG. Go to metal management, purchasing, purchase order, PC, document type, define document types. Here, you see what are the document type is here. So these are the standard document types available here. So what is showing in that screen, ME21 screen will be available here. So now we can go forward new. So you can, it is always NP is the same. PR also and PO also. There's a SAP standard document type. Purchase requisition as well as purchase order is a NP. So we can copy from this, or else you can we can create your own as a new and using new entries. So as to copy from NP. Okay, so copy. I can change our ZABC. Okay, so I create standard PO for purchase order for ABC. I will create text type given this like. So now now this item interval is a 10, 20, 30 like this item number. Okay, line items is showing as a 10, 20 like this. So I will give this for device change next time I will show you this. Okay, so I will press enter, copy all, copied everything. So now our ZABG is a purchase acquisition. Okay, purchase order document types. Okay, so I will save. Okay, so now coming to this, now I go for define number range. For this document type, I can go for if I can choose here. So I can change our name also. I can create as a asset purchase order. Is asset PO. Asset PO for asset PO for ABC. This is the description. I'll save it. Okay. So coming to here. So I will go for define number ranges. So I will select define number ranges. I will go to for intervals. Already lot of number ranges is there. Okay, we can use any number ranges or else we can create our number range. Okay, 4 8. I will try to create 4 8 series. Click on new entries. Click on A5. Click on 4 8 series. We'll try. The number ranges should not be overlap. If you overlap, you can't use that number. You see the intervals without overlap. Okay, so we can enter anything. The A5 without overlaps, right? We can enter already this number ranges is overlapped. That's why it's showing this error. So I can try to create. We can copy from somewhere. We'll try to use this in. Or else even in the live system, there is a no. I think it accepted. Oh, thank God. So now our number ranges is come to here this. Okay, this is what.
Hello.
Tell me.
Sir, in real time, it will be same overlap will be come for that.
No. Because of in the real system, there is no data in the server. Okay.
Okay,
We are
okay.
we are newly creating everything. Nothing is a data.
Okay.
Okay, so we can freshly create whichever number range is fresh in that system. So there is no error will come in the real system. Okay.
So in the real time, the overlap will not reflect, right?
Yeah, will not because of there is no number range previously in the system. Because of there is a new system, right? Nothing data is there. Everything is empty. Number ranges are should be empty.
Okay.
Okay. So now go to now. I will assign this AFI for that purchase orders. So now go to document type. I go to our document type ZABC. I will given as a remove this A5. Our number ranges is A5. I given as a A5. So just to save. Okay. So I will come to now purchase order screen. Go to ME21N. So I can select the document type. You can see here ZABC already appeared here. ZABC asset PO for ABC. So I will select this document type. Okay, I will enter my vendor. I will enter purchase order. I will enter company code. I will enter our material. Enter some quantity. Plant. I will enter some plant. Okay. So SKU. Sir, what is our company code? B0. Okay, so I check this now. I will check. Okay. So no message. Okay, I will check now. There is no message entered about. Okay. So I will save. Okay, if you want the document process, save. So now but you see the number range. So now asset PO for ABC created under the number range. This is a first series number what we given in that configuration. Okay, you see that this is the same number started from that first series. So this is based on that number ranges. Okay, it will come from that config our own document type based on the config. So business generally we are using document types PO document Right? It will be different on the business, real-time business. Generally, they're using domestic PO. There is a document types. Okay, I'm telling about document type. Domestic PO. This is some important document type. It will be changed based on that business. Import PO. Okay, asset PO. Okay, service service PO. Okay, so all different materials. So this kind of different document type they will create consumables. Whatever you want, we can create it. Okay, indirect materials, direct PO, okay, consumable PO. This is depends on the business scenarios or how they requirement. Okay, they will telling that how many document types are required in the real time. So based on this, we can create our own document types what we can see previously. So we can do this like this for purchase orders. Okay. So if we go, okay, if we go this, if we go here, so there is a purchase. I can go for purchase requisitions. So this purchase requisition will be open. This is transaction code. You call it as ME. This will be open. Can see the purchase requisition. What we can purchase requisition we created will come. Okay. So there is no selection criteria. It will not come. So I'll go here. If we click on my purchase requisition, it automatically come because of this two purchase requisition only we are created from my ID. So it will come automatically. So I go to for purchase requisitions, nothing available because of that this is not a real system. So it will know there is no case for here. Okay, that is the reason it will not come. Okay, so it will be my purchase requisition only will come automatically here. Okay, so okay, so these are the thing. So now coming to that table, okay, I'll show some tables. Okay, so what are the tables? Table is very important. As a consultant, you know very well about the tables details. What is the tables? So whatever transaction we are doing configuration or transaction level, whatever they doing in SAP, it will save the one respective tables on the background. Okay, we know about that. What are the tables for using? Okay, individual transactions or configurations. Okay, so example that main transaction for that SAP tables. Okay, that T code is SE16 and this is the main only one T code for tables. Okay, so go for SE60N. These are the general table display. So there is an individual transaction. We have table data. So like example EKPO. Okay, so this is the purchase order item. Okay, what we created the purchase order, it will show all the purchase order item details. So now I am entering any purchase order what we created. I enter this purchase order here. There is a document type. Okay, this is a purchase order document. Okay, it means purchase order PO number. So this is for technical name. This is a technical name as a field name. Okay, this is a very important technical name. This is a table name. Table name is a different, technical name is different. Technical name is respect to the field. Okay, so respective purchase order, it will what will the technical name. So it will be like this. So technical name is different, table name is different. So now I will execute this respective purchase order. So there is a lot of criteria is that we can get the data as per the different type of criteria. So just click on this. So it will show a lot of all the information about that purchase order item details. Item details means what is item details? So in the go to that purchase order, okay, there's a two field for okay, three field is one is for header, one is for item, okay, one is for item details. So now coming to this is for purchasing document item. Okay, these two informations, item details informations, all the informations respective that item, it will be available on this document table, EKPO table. Okay, so it will be showing a but PO number, item, change, okay, change around creation, but everything is the metal code, company code, plant, location, everything is coming as a item level. Okay, so coming to that, okay, coming to okay. So coming to this is for item. Okay, I can enter two purchase order also. I can enter one more purchase order what we created 7870. I will enter here. You see the multiple selection is there. I can enter multiple. I can enter here multiple purchase orders. Okay, 78078711. So one more we created. So we can enter whatever it's. Otherwise we can copy from. We can click on clipboard. It will automatically appear all the details. So I will enter execute. It will show three different POs. So PO number 7870871 5 series. It will all the information will show. These can see the different quantities, PO quantity, unit of measurements. Okay. So everything will come here. Okay. The price also come. Okay, net value, gross value. So all the details will appear here. This is for item table, respective to the purchase order. So coming to this one more table, I will show you. Same way, I will show you. This is for item details. Now go to EKKO. This is table. It will same. I will entering this. Okay. Item detail. There's three PO purchase orders. I will enter. I will execute. Okay. This is table for EKKO purchase order header details. Okay. So what is the header of purchase orders? Okay. You can see this is the header. I open only for header. So this information, what are the tab available here? Delivery. This is the tab information. All the data is available in that this table, EKKO table, respective header details. Okay. So company code. Okay. What is the document type? Okay. We see the first two POs we created as a document type NB. Okay. But last one we created as a ZABC. So document type. Okay. So date, okay, user IDs. So what is the vendor? So here will not come any material related information. Item details will not come here. What is the material quantity, plant, storage location will not appear here because of this is the header data only available in the header level data. Okay, it will not show any item details here. So this is the way we can see the table also. All the informations will be saved on that individual tables. Okay, you can see every time these are the tables. EK, EKKO, KKO, purchase order, purchasing document header. EKKO using for purchasing order header. Okay, so one more table that is EKPO, purchase ordering item. It's EKPO. Again, item. So same way purchase requisition also is there. So all the transaction SAP, there is a table name is there. Okay, you can find out whenever you are doing the practice, you can do this. Okay, it will be useful to for this. Otherwise, you can find out as a consultant, we should know what are the important tables for individual MM perspective. Okay, we should know all the information. Okay, okay. So I think so. This related to purchase order topics. So maybe next class I will take as a goods receipt note. Okay, respective PO, we can do that goods receipt note. We can see in the next class.